Hey guys, how you doing? Wanted to make a short video about my whereabouts so that you don't launch a missing man's report. Just kidding. On a serious note, I, Nathan Floriano Jacques, assistant professor with DYPUSHTS School of Hospitality and Culinary Studies, wanted to get across to my dear students and followers during this lockdown period. Many of us must be feeling anxious, sad, calm, stressed, confused, bored, lonely, or maybe all of these at the same time together. To help us cope, I recommend that we create a well-being plan for ourselves and for our family. I'd like to share some tips with you. Tip number 1, follow routines or start new ones. That's a difficult one. Tip number 2, stay connected with family and friends. That's one of my favorites. Tip number 3, engage in hobbies and try out new recipes. That's what I do. I, being a mixologist, would like to share a couple of recipes which are refreshing and healthy at the same time. It's 2 for the price of 1. So today, we are going to make one hot and one cold mocktail. The cold one. Ingredients: soaked basil seeds, jaggery reduction, lime and water. Method of preparation: add soaked basil seeds to the mixing can. Mix it with 30 ml of lime juice, 60 ml of jaggery reduction, 90 ml of water. Don't forget to add ice. Give it a good shake and serve it over ice. I'm sure they will love it. Recipe number 2, the hot one. Ingredients: chopped ginger, honey, cinnamon sticks and basil seeds. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water and add all the ingredients. Bring them up to a boil. Double strain the concoction and serve it warm. It's not only good when it's cold around, but it's also good for a harsh throat. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you, and thank you.